Let me see. He sent me like he sent me a whole package. He sent me a whole package of these things. He sent me this one right here. It's this one. I have this one right here. And he sent me this one, and I have a Talking Angela one. So I have this one. I don't think this one works. I don't think this one works. Yeah, I don't think it's work. Do it work? Does it work? Tom. What? What the fuck is he wrong? Are you spying on me, dog? See, look, this is what I'm talking about. This is what the fuck I'm talking about. See, look, this is what I'm talking about. This is what the fuck I'm talking about. Hey, shut the fuck up, boy. You hear me? You hear me, little boy? You hear me? Fuck up, boy. You hear me? You hear me, little boy? Boy, don't know who you talking to, boy. Do you know the things I would do to you, boy? Don't play that. Do not play that against me, man. I don't play that shit. You hear me? Don't fucking play on me, man. Now when this shit cut off, niggas, me, you don't fucking play on me. You hear me, Tom? What is wrong with your ass, man? If you look closely, chat, the cop's gonna be in about 10 to 15 minutes. If you look closely, don't that look kind of weird? Don't this look kind of weird? Yeah, like chat, like you see that? Like, don't it look kind of weird? Be honest, chat. Don't that look kind of weird? You feel me? Doesn't it? Doesn't it look kind of weird? Be honest, chat. Doesn't it look kind of weird? Be honest, be honest, be honest. Tom, I have a genuine question, okay? So basically, it seems like that you're, the dude, so look, yo, the dude behind this, I know you're trolling me, okay? Can you please give me a signal? Do anything. Give me a signal right now.
Can you please give me a signal? Do anything. Give me a signal right now.
Alright. Was that it? Can you hear me right now? This is weird. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on, bro. I'm sorry, Speed. What do you mean, Yvonne? I don't know, bro. Cut it open? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, chat. We should look, probably just cut it open, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. But damn, what if it's really not, bro? Fuck, man. Ah, shit. What if it was like, damn it. Should we just cut it open, bro? Damn, man. Should we just cut it open? Now, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Before I cut it open, y'all, let's do one last one, okay? Before we cut it open. We gotta do it for the culture, man. Tom. Bro, Tom, you ready? God is good. Tom, wait, time out, Tom, just wait. God is good. God, shut up. Be quiet. Let's go. You ready? Come on. No, you broke. No. Tom. Oh. Hey, let's go. Say God is good. Oh my goodness, bro. Say God.
Oh my goodness, bro. Say God.
God is good. God is good. God is good. God is. Oh, you know what? I'm done. My voice, you know what? Tom, don't say it, alright? Just don't say it, okay? Because my voice is fucked up right now. Ugh. Peace out, bro. Tom, we love you, dog. Now, this parrot right here. I've been wanting to test this out, too. How does this work? So chat, how do you play with the parrot? What the fuck? Is he moving? What the f? Y'all see? Shut your ugly ass up. What? It's a problem. What's up? I'm right here. Man, come here, little nigga. I'm right here. What's up? What's up? Oh my fucking. Hit me, nigga. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me. Exactly. Stop talking that shit. It's your ugly ass. I don't play that shit. Real shit. Fuck wrong with you, dog? Oh my gosh. Bro. Did he just move? Can you hear me right now? No, seriously. This is weird, bro. The fuck? Are you shitting? What is? Nah, bro. This is crazy, chat. Oh my gosh. He can even hear when I whisper. Yo, chat, I'm literally whispering. He can still hear me. What the fuck? He didn't hear that one, though. That's crazy, bro. Say it fast. Say what fast? No, matter of fact, say this real quick. Say this, say this, say this, say this. Nah, say this, say this, say this, say this.
Super 爱朵的笑容，多美丽的天，白昼的阳光，多美丽阳光。
Yo, no, hold up. Chat, I like this dude. I like this dude, chat. Say this.
MC, make another hit.
Hey, turn me up. Hey, turn me up. Hey, turn me up. 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 Hey, 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 hey. We're hot boys and I'm dropping the sticks in the back and I run my hands. I get my. Until I swear to God, man, I put that up brand. Niggas up rich, I wanna stay safe. Niggas up rich, I wanna need that. Wanna chop rich, I wanna speed. Niggas up rich, I wanna. Woohoo! Give me a kiss! Give me a kiss! Give me a kiss! Right now! Please? Come on, bro! Mwah! 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 Yo, he's a dog, chat! Mwah! point a light. Bro, this dude is literally on my nuts, bro. Point a, okay. Let's do Ben, y'all. Because Ben is the main person. So I was saying if I point a light. So I was saying if I point a light towards it, and it should.
I'm gonna teach you a really easy trick that'll.
What should I see? See, point a light to his eye, you can see if there's a camera or not. Bro, it's not, it's like I don't see nothing. I don't think, like, why would the dude do that though? You know what I'm saying, chat? Like, why would the dude do that? You know what I'm saying? But it does make so much sense. Oh, y'all talking about my camera. Oh, like this. Do y'all see something? I don't see shit. I'm gonna be honest. I don't see nothing, chat. Y'all see something? Let me know. Cut it open, you know, I might have just cut it open, bro. Say less, bro. I might have just cut it open at this point, chat. Say less, bro. I'm being honest, chat, I'm gonna regret this if it's not really, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just, shit. God damn it. Fuck, I'm gonna have to cut it open, bro. GG's, bro. GG's, dog. I'm about to cut it open, bro. I seen it. Alright, okay. Damn, bro. I already told chat, think about it, bro, chat. I should just leave it to the cops, bro. Like, chat. Should I just leave it to the cops? Like, chat, should I just leave it to the cops? I saw one eye move. No, don't. I might just leave it to the cops, bro. Fuck all that. I'm gonna just leave this all to the cops. Like, there's no point in me doing all this. You feel me? They got recorders in them that sends audio to the owner, which they listen to. You know what? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna just put it in my basement, bro. I'm gonna just go with the safe route. You know, I'm putting it in my basement. You know, cause I ain't gonna lie. This band, it did like come out very weird though. Like, I was like, yo, Ben, are you listening to me? The next thing you know, he was like,
Ben, are you listening to me? The next thing you know, he was like,
I don't know what happened. He just said, like, he said yes, didn't he, chat? Didn't he say yes?
I don't know what happened. He just said, like, he said yes, didn't he, chat? Didn't he say yes?
That's what I'm talking about. And he always, you know what? That's alright, chat. We're done. I ain't gonna lie, that is sus, bro. We're done. Anyway, chat, I just wanted to show y'all, like, you know, just my new gift. But that's all I wanted to do was just show y'all my new gift, you know, that people sent me. I never had a chance because, you know, I was gone for about 2 days, you know, working on this new Magna. Me and talking Ben Arc Speed and Ben Arc is you know, right now it's in volume 13. Kishimoto is still working on the animation, okay, chat.